Prime Larry Bird is better than Prime LeBron James. So, as you know, I don't care about stats so much, but it's funny. Like, I know this is from 83 to 88 Bird and 2010 to 2015 Bron. So we got 27 points a game. Bird. Assists 6.9 and 6.8. Damn near even. Rebounds 10 to 7. Steals Bird. Blocks Bird. Less turnovers. LeBron more efficient. Bird 40% from 3. 53 basically 90% from the free throw line. Not even close. PER LeBron. Y'all want to make it seem like this man was putting up insane numbers when he's a 27-7 merchant. Larry Bird was a better player. He was a better winner. LeBron better defender, not by much. He only got 3 more all defensive teams. But if you watch on the floor, he was a better defender than Bird. I don't think he was a better passer than Bird. Definitely wasn't a better rebounder. He wasn't a more efficient scorer. He just played for longer. That's all. He just played for longer. Bird was a better mid-range shooter, better three-point shooter, better free throw shooter. See, when you take the stats out and you just talk basketball, because we can fuck these stats. If we just talking player to player, Larry Bird won 3 MVPs in a row. Since y'all love to use MVPs and everything like that. Larry Bird for a career is averaging 24, 6, and 10. Won 3 straight MVPs. Saved the NBA. Not only that, saved the NBA. He did make 3 all defensive teams too. Larry Bird was actually a solid defender. His first year in the league, he went to the All-Star too. Not to mention, he turned a 28-win team into a 63-win team. Larry Bird, his impact on winning was amazing. Like I said, he's a better mid-range shooter. He's a better free throw shooter. He's a better three-point shooter. He's a better rebounder. He's a better passer than LeBron. LeBron averages 7 assists a game for a career. Larry Bird is 6.3. But go watch on the floor. Larry Bird has done some passes I've never seen LeBron do. And LeBron has done some passes I ain't seen Larry do. I believe Larry Bird is a better passer without turning the ball over. LeBron has the most turnovers ever. His turnover to assist, his assist to turnover ratio is not that good. LeBron averages probably close to 4 turnovers a game. And mind you, this in the 80s. So yeah, I definitely believe that prime Larry Bird is better than LeBron James.